2015 to 2022 Chevy Colorado front brake replacement. Let's start by removing the brake hardware here. There is a C-clip back there you need to remove, and this is pay attention to the orientation of this, by the way. It goes in a certain way. They come with the new parts, the new brake pads, but you won't get that word right here. Right, you need to clean it up. Alright, let's start by removing it. So I start by removing that Rotor clip here. Let's remove the clip here. This. Don't lose it, by the way. There it is. Let's do the bottom one. Just like that. And you need to remove this rod here. I'm using a cheese like this. I hit it with a hammer so you can push it out. I already started doing it. It's stuck. I also suggest that you, and now I also suggest that you put some WD folding in there so you can, especially if the thing seized like this. I have to use a plier like this to wiggle it out. It's really stuck. Change your plane, guys. I have to use this screwdriver here. It's a T30. So I can push it out, and I'll clean this very good, by the way, because it doesn't come with new ones. Now let's remove the caliper bracket bolt. It's the 18mm wide there, one on top, one at the bottom. I have the caliper off. It is hanging with the bungee cord right now. I'm about to remove the T30 brake rotor returning screw. There you go. I got the rotor off. It's on the floor right now. Let's clean up the brake rotor. We're good. Look much better. Now let's put now let's clean the channel where the brake pad goes in with the wire brush like this, and clean up real good so that the brake pad doesn't get stuck, and going easier too, by the way, when you do that. And while you're at it, you need to compress the brake piston before you put it in, by the way. Here is the brake pads. I'm about to put a little bit of grease on both ends so you can slide it easier. Not too much, just a little bit at the bottom like this. I grease both sides, up and bottom of the brake pads, and I'm sliding it in right now. And just like that, the brake pad is in. I'm about to put the clip on right now. This clip will be rested like this on the brake pads, and you put the rod that goes through the brake caliper against it. Let me show you. So I already started doing it. The point is, you put, I need two hands to do this. I don't have a helper right now. You hold the clip in place, right, and you push this down a little bit, and while you're hammering that rod so you can go behind it and hold it in place. Okay, I already saw this halfway done, then pushing it all the way, and there it is, guys. I had to flip this around. It doesn't go in that way, it goes in from that way in, right? And there is two holes. I don't know if you guys can see it. You need to put the clip on. There it is, guys. The clip is on up and down right here like that. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll be doing the other side. Don't forget to pump your brakes when you're done. Alright, thanks for watching.